reaches and plucks that ball away. And now busting, scrapping and fighting for possession. Canakaivata it is. Up is Mukosa. Just breaks down at the wrong moment though for Zambia, and that means Fiji will fly away again. It looks a little uncomfortable though.
Back here in the defensive line, as Fiji are looking for their second try, and they're going to get it. It's Canakaivata who is in difference in those 19 unanswered points in the comeback against the USA. Attacking line out for Fiji, juggled, but just
look at the skill in the air. The ball's actually overthrown from Fakuru Nabili, but look at him there. Just collect that one, and that's brilliant work.
Sort of crucial try in the semi-final to get them here. There's his fellow Sevens original, Harry McNulty, helping him win the ball, but Fiji get the early penalty. Trusting their defence of Fiji. And they go in for the heavy hit on the chase. The ball's loose. Danger signs again for Ireland. And Fiji are in again. It's Elia Canakaivata who has chased the ball 50 metres and got his reward with a try in the final.
Look at this defence though, the really later platform. Take that. Big shot across the chest of Smith. And then the breakdown work again from Fiji was good. And there's the guy who put the shot on.
And Fiji in a bit of space here. High shot coming in on Urasaku. We play on. Now it's Canakaivata just bursting clear for Fiji. The power man gets it done for the flying Fijians. That's number 3.
Well, they look confident, don't they? And they have right from the get-go. This Fijian outfit, they're running with venom. That's the secret. Ball in 2 hands, takes the hold. And there's no way he was going to be stopped from there. Look at him looking around. No one. And pitch a shot.
Well gathered at the back by Maliko. He has been the star for this young Samoan side. He'll need to go well here if they're going to upset the much bigger, much more physical Fijian World Cup Sevens. A country with the expectations in Sevens rugby that Fiji has, there would be some questions being asked. Powerful running there. Well, it's been almost all Samoan pressure. Oh, the missile coming in. Referee says it's gone forward out of hand.
Knocked on.
Oh, he shot out the line.
Tries to flick it to himself off the foot, doesn't work out. It's into the hands of Jerry 2Y, and it's an opportunity now for Fiji. Nick Malouf's going to have to make a tackle, but he's bumped away. Oh, there's the offload. What a start. What a score. That is number 8 for Vuiviawa Nanduvalu. But make no mistake, that was all about Canakaivata for Fiji.
Well, look at this. Not a lot of room to work with. He doesn't even break stride. He says, you're having some of this, and if you can't handle it, Nick Malouf, sit down.
Like a stage. Speaking of performing, here's Corey Toole. Fiji win the jackal. And it's that. Yeah, he had to release. He didn't. Nathuku. Fiji may well get their score. The ball is loose. They're over the line. They do get the try. And the smile tells the story. Canakaivata.
Crowd starts to come into the game again now. Wide ball. And Canakaivata is over. Elia Canakaivata. Third try for the season. Listen to the crowd now.
Now the ball handed off for Strange.
He's got a double, and didn't the Drua need that one?
Canakaivata just getting over that try line, the big man.
Trying to charge for the line, reaching very, very close, and they will score it. Elia Canakaivata for the Fijian Drua. And forget the razzle-dazzle, because that was all about power. right from the line out drive.
It pings inside and now sets up play for Lamani. Good ball away here and exploding away goes.
Ruck is good from the Drua. They kick ahead. Nobody at the back. The race is on. Oh, wobbly old ball, and it's a try.
Of course they get the bounce.
The bouncing rugby ball falls nicely. A try to the Drua, and you can say that one's against the run of play. Elia Canakaivata.